A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't.
All right, folks, we've got some intense court hearings lined up today, and it's going to be a wild ride. First up, we have a so-called sovereign citizen, or maybe more accurately, a sovereign idiot who's trying to argue that he's an entity rather than a person. Spoiler alert, the judge's reaction to his bizarre claims is absolutely priceless. Courts only recognize real people, so this argument holds no legal water. It's a legal circus, and you've got a front row seat. Let me know what you think about this spectacle in the comments, and if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive in.
Mr. Lucas, please place your full name on the record.
Nathan Daniel Lucas, a living man.
A living man?
Yes, sir.
I would think that would be obvious, right?
No, sir. Not
No.
an etymology of the courts and the syntax grammar. No, sir.
You've gone above my head on that. I can't. That's above my pay grade. All right. So are you interested in a lawyer representing you, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you interested in even getting a driver's license?
No, sir.
Are you interested in an offer at all?
No, sir.
Set the matter for trial.
Well, I intend to plead in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction.
Okay.
Because that issue is to be brought up in my pleadings and filed with a court.
I didn't see any pleadings filed with the court. Do we have anything?
I said that is an issue to be brought up, my pleadings to be briefed and filed with a court.
Well, you should have done that. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Kind of here. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, sir. I'll give you a $0 bond, and I'll set a trial date for November the 14th, 2024. Or if you want a pre-trial date to file some pleadings, I can set that for October 21st, 2024. Which one would you like?
You could repeat that, sir?
Pre-trial date, if you want to file some motions, pre-trial date will be October the 21st, 2024. Or
that will be fine.
Just set it that you want that date?
October 24th, 2024?
October 21st.
21st.
2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, sir. And just for the record, I did not enter in no plea. I don't plead.
All right. Well, I'm entering in for you. All right. Have a good day, sir. I'll see you back October 20th.
I absolutely love watching this judge. His sarcasm is hilarious, and honestly, it's the perfect way to deal with these sovereign citizens. You can literally see them start to unravel as he throws their nonsense right back at them. It's pure entertainment. I'll be posting the second half of this guy's hearing tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned because it gets even crazier. But for now, I've got another wild hearing for you, and trust me, this one is even more ridiculous. We've got another sovereign citizen, and this guy is completely off his rocker. Let me know what you think in the comments, and now, let's dive in.
More?
Special representation. I'm asking you.
Your Honor, his name is Tyrese Breland.
Breland?
That's not my name.
Oh, Breland.
That's not my name. I'm here on special representation. I'm
same as last defendant, Your Honor.
My Honor, I'm asking.
Okay.
What is your status and what is your name? I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know your status. Of everyone in the courtroom, I would like to know what is your nationality and what is your
deputy.
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to know your nationality.
He has charges in jots and he has a paper charge. Let me see if they're the same warrant, and they're different warrant numbers. Okay, so I guess I do both sets. Let me see when these are.
Know your nationality. I would like to know if you're a U.S. citizen of the United States, and so what is your status? You're a U.S. citizen of the United States.
All right, hold on one moment, sir. Let me review the the warrant?
Asking you for your status and the status of everyone in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know the nationality. I would like to know, are you a U.S. citizen? Once again, my honor,
Is he injured, deputy?
status
Say it
of
again, Your
everyone
Honor.
in the
Is
courtroom.
he injured? Is that why why is he in a wheelchair?
Yes, ma'am.
I would
Okay.
like to know the status of everybody in the courtroom. I would like to know your name. I would like to know your nationality. I would like to know are you a U.S. citizen?
Deputy, do you believe that this gentleman is mental health, or do you think?
All right, everyone, buckle up, because today we've got some seriously intense court hearings coming your way. Our first case features a sovereign citizen, or should I say sovereign idiot, claiming to be an entity instead of a person. The judge's reaction to this nonsense? Absolutely priceless. Courts only recognize real people, so this guy's argument doesn't hold up legally at all. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this circus of a case? And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive right in.
Information?
All right, so I'm going to give you your charges.
Charges for what? Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a U.S. citizen? My honor, are you a U.S. citizen?
Sir, be quiet.
Are you a U.S.
Yo.
citizen?
I said
Said
be
stop.
quiet.
Are you
Be
a
quiet.
US citizen? What is your name? What is your status? What is the status
Yo,
of everyone in the
chill.
courtroom? That's what I'm asking.
All right, so y'all just go ahead and take him back.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
just go ahead and put him on. Y'all take
I'm
Feet
him.
up.
asking
Move your
for
feet.
the court to be a jurisdiction of the
Hey,
court.
you might want to
The
chill
court
out.
to be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court. Challenging the jurisdiction of the court because I am not who they say they are. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
No.
Everything should be challenged. I'm challenging the jurisdiction of the court.
After that last scene this guy just pulled, I'm convinced he's definitely mentally ill. You get the usual sovereign citizens who play dumb and spout nonsense, but this guy? He's on a whole other level, like he's auditioning for some kind of bad reality show. Seriously, how do you even argue with someone who doesn't believe basic rules of law apply to them? I've got to say, the judge has the patience of a saint for not just slamming the gavel and yelling at him. And honestly, I think these Zoom court hearings are a total win for sovereign citizens. They can just talk over the judge, ramble about their made-up laws, and avoid the normal courtroom vibe that might actually make them behave better. I don't get how they can just say they don't consent to the laws, as if that makes the laws not apply to them. Like, some people think if they get pulled over for a speeding ticket and say they don't consent, that somehow the ticket won't stick. It's just laughable. These fake legal theories have been debunked time and time again, yet they keep doubling down like it's going to work one day. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up here. I'll be posting the second half of that first clip tomorrow, so stay tuned. Let me know in the comments what you think about these Zoom court hearings because honestly, I feel like courts are way too lenient during them. Also, tell me, do you think these guys are just playing crazy, or are they actually mentally ill? If you enjoy content like this and want to see more, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.